Okay guys, I'm going to be making a chickpeas and coconut dish. So I just have some onion here that I'm cutting up. I have 3 seasoned peppers. It's going to be a chickpea and coconut curry. Alright, so this is done. Okay guys, so we're going to cut up our big leaf thyme and shadow bene. So I've just added some dried curry leaves. Now I'm going to add the onion and the seasoning peppers. Just want to leave the onions to saute a while. I'm going to add some salt to this. One tablespoon of curry powder. I'm going to leave this to fry for about 2 minutes. I'm also going to add the ginger garlic paste as well. We have our chickpeas. I'm going to add the coconut. I'm going to add some carrots. I'm going to add a big leaf thyme and shadow bene. And some coconut milk. I'm going to turn down my fire and cover this and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Let's taste for salt. So I need to add some salt to this. If you want to add a little more, if you want to get a little more gravy, you can add some chicken broth or more coconut milk. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth to this. I'm going to cover it for a few minutes again and just allow all the flavors to marry. Okay guys, there you have it, our chickpeas and coconut curry.